Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what are firewall rules for VPC network in Google Cloud Computing. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on under the VPC network portal and I'm going to click on firewall rules. Well, as you know, as I've told you in the VPC network video that I started, that Google Cloud Firewall rules let us allow or deny the traffic to and from the virtual machine. And we enabled Google Cloud Firewall rules are always enforced, protecting the instances regardless of this configuration and operating system. So every VPC network functions as a distributed firewall. While firewall rules are defined at the network level, connections are allowed or denied on a per instance basis. We can think of the Google Cloud Firewall rules as existing not only between the instances or the other networks, but also between individual instances within the same network. So if you would see the default firewall rules, it's an ingress means inbound targets an HTTP server on the port 80. Action is allowed, priority is 1000. So these are the default firewall rules as of now hosted on the firewall rules section. And if you want to create a firewall rules, click on create firewall rule, give it a name, test author firewall rule. You want to enable logs. I do not want to enable it. I'm going to go with off network. So if you are defining it for the default network or for the test assert VPC that we created, what's going to be the priority? The lower the number, the higher the priority. So if I set the priority to 100, then this will be of the higher precedence in this VPC network. It will be an inbound rule, so it will be the ingress traffic. I'm going to allow the inbound traffic. Target specify target tags all instances in the network, or I can enable the tags on the instances level or on the the resources that I will create on the VPC and enable the tags, and then can define the targets on the tags level as well. Specify target tags or on the specified service account. Source IP range would be, let's say I'm gonna go it for all, or if I know the any specific IP range, I can enter it here. I'm gonna go with second source filter. I'm gonna go none, or I can enable the options here as well. You want to allow it for a specific port. Let's say you want to do it for a specific port, let's say 22, or you want to define a range, let's say from 100 to 200. You can do it. If you want to do it for UDP as well, do it for all. If you want to do it for other protocols, let's say you want to do it SCTP or SFTP, you can do it here as well. Click on create rule. It's going to create the firewall rule in your VPC. Here you see this rule. If you want to delete it, just check it, click on delete, and your firewall rule is deleted. I hope you guys liked the video. Please mention your feedback in the comment section. If you have time, please join me in the next lecture. Thank you.